Hey, it's Marissa. Today we're going to be drawing a hummingbird. The first step we're going to take is to draw a curve that goes around and down just like this. Now from that point, you're kind of going to make a line that goes out just a bit. Now we're going to start to make a wing. So start about here and then go up, up, up. Make your wing as big as you want and form it just like this. Now we're going to start at the tip over here, go down just a bit like that, and then we're going to go in, and then kind of stop where you made that other point right there. Now from the top, we're going to form another wing. So it's going to go up and around, and then we're going to go down, 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 and into that wing. Perfect. Now let's start forming the little beak. It's just going to go out just like that. There's going to be a curve, and then from that curve, we're going to go in, just like that. And then we're going to go up and in to connect the line. And then you'll just color this whole thing black. Now pretend this line goes past that beak, and then we're going to make a curve around just like that. Now let's form the body some more. We're going to go down, 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 and then curve inwards just like that. Once you curved inwards, we're going to go out, and then we're going to start about here at this wing, go down, and then go out, 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 and stop. Now we're going to go in, and then connect this line to that line that you just made. Looks good. Now let's make an eye. I'm just going to make a big circle for the eye just like this, and then I'll fill it in black. You're welcome to make a little dot in the center. Mine's just going to be black. Okay, now for the wing, I want some detail on it. I'm going to start at the top and then go down and in with just a curve. I'm going to make some more details by putting a curve here, and then repeat that same pattern. We're going to do that again. Here's a line, another line, and then let's do it one more time. This time I'll go down a bit, just like that. Let's make another pattern on this wing here. So I'm going to start at the tip here and then go up, 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 and try to curve it all the way to the other corner, just like this. Now kind of start here and then go out, 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 and around to match that other side. Let's make kind of the same pattern here in this wing. So I'm going to do a curve that goes up and around. I'll follow that same curve pattern again. Let's do a couple more. Put a curved line, follow that line. Let's do another one right here. A line, another, and then we'll do one more. Here's a line, and then another. If you wanted to, for fun, you can close it up and make one more. Looks great. Now I'm going to draw little tiny legs at the bottom. They're just going to be a line that goes down and in, and then from that point we're going to go around and then in. You can color that in black or whatever color you choose later. And then I'm going to make another little leg. The leg is going to go around, and then we'll follow that same curve around and in, then shade it in black. Looks good. Now let's start coloring. Here's our hummingbird. I chose to make a little pattern on mine, but you can color it in however you want. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye!